Good afternoon, Jefferson membership. I'm Aaron Ireland, your first assistant, and I'd like to introduce you to our newest assistant, Cody.
Hi everybody, my name's Cody. I'm from Northern Kentucky, and I went to golf college in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I then went from there to Indiana, where I was an assistant pro at the Legends Golf Club, and mostly been working in the golf business my whole life, outside operations, maintenance, and assistant, like I said, and looking forward to being your guys' assistant this year. Go Wildcats.
All right, and in today's video, Cody and I are going to show you how to repair your own ball mark. Okay, Cody and I are out here now on hole number 9, and we're going to demonstrate to you how to fix your ball mark. We have a couple options for tools. We have one with 2 prongs. We have one with 1 prong, and you can also use your tee for this. The incorrect way that most people think they're supposed to do it is to put in the repair tool, push in, and then pull down on that repair tool so it pulls the grass up. That's incorrect. What we actually want to do is we want to take this tool at about not quite 45, maybe a little higher than that, and then push forward. And then you just go all the way around and you push towards you or forward. So we're pushing inwards towards the middle, the center of the ball mark. So in towards the center, in towards the center, in towards the center, and then you can use your foot or what most of us use, the bottom of your putter. I don't have my putter out here, so I'm going to tap it with my foot just to tap the grass blades down a little bit, and that's what I call pretty close to a perfect job. Now I'm going to demonstrate with the 1 prong repair tool. It's the same concept. First of all, the incorrect way is to stick it in and then push this prong back away from the center. That pulls up the roots of the grass and will kill the grass around the ball mark. The correct way is you're going to stick this in approximately 45-degree angle, and then you're going to push towards the center. In, push towards the center, and you're going to go all the way around, push towards the center, all the way, push towards the center, all the way around, push towards the center, all the way, push towards the center. Use your foot or bottom of your putter to tap it, and voila.
Yeah. Alright guys, in today's video we went over the ways to fix your ball marks on the green. Showed you with both repair tools. It's very important so we're not killing the grass, keeping the golf course looking nice. Planning on putting these videos out a couple times during the week, and I want to thank you guys, and you guys have a good day.
Have a good day.